Hey friends, there are some countries in the world that will surprise you no matter how much you think you know about them. One of the most mysterious of these countries is China, because no matter how much you think you've seen of this country, there are 10 times more shocking facts, strange customs, secret cultures, and mind-blowing truths hidden inside. Some say China is the fastest-growing rich country in the world. Some say it's the capital of fake products. Some say it's home to the weirdest foods on the planet. But which of these is really true? Today, we're going to explore some incredible facts about China that will completely change the way you see it. Warning! Some of these facts are so unbelievable that you might not believe them at first. 10 mind-blowing facts about China that will leave you speechless. So, let's get started. Number 1. China's economy is one of the fastest growing in the world. Over the past few decades, China has grown in ways very few countries in history have. Where it used to be an agriculture-based nation, today it is the world's largest factory, the largest electronics producer, and the second largest economy in the world. Its growth has been so fast that in many cases, it has outpaced the US by several years multiple times over. Number 2. Why are Chinese products so cheap? There are 3 main reasons. Number 1. Mass production. Producing millions of units at once drastically reduces cost. Number 2. Extremely efficient supply chains. In some industrial areas, phone bodies, screens, chargers, batteries can all be produced within a 5-minute walk from each other. Number 3. Variety for every budget. If you have a $1 budget, they'll make a $1 product. If you have a $50 budget, they'll make a high-quality $50 product. Basically, whatever quality you want, they can deliver. Number 3. China dominates the fake goods market. Most of the counterfeit branded items in the world, shoes, watches, phones, and brand copies, come from unofficial factories in China. But it's not the entire country, just some cities, some factories, and some markets where law enforcement is minimal. Number 4. Plastic rice and fake eggs. Myth or reality? Thanks to viral videos online, food adulteration isn't unique to China. It happens in many countries around the world. Number 5. Strange food culture. Food culture varies around the world. In China, different provinces have different culinary traditions. Some regions serve snake, some serve frog, some serve cockroaches, and in other areas, dishes that will shock you. But the important thing, these are regional traditions, not daily meals for the whole country. Number 6. The controversial Yulin Dog Meat Festival. This festival receives criticism worldwide. Dogs are killed here, though the numbers are often exaggerated. Many claim millions of dogs are killed annually. The actual number is much lower, and controversy is gradually declining. Number 7. Eggs boiled in urine, myth or tradition. This dish exists in a small area of Zhejiang province. Locals believe boiling eggs in the urine of spring boys keeps the body warm. But it's not a national dish, just a local folk custom. Number 8. Huge contrast between cities and villages. China's villages preserve ancient traditions. But cities are moving fast with AI, robotics, automated highways, cashless payments. Number 9. The 12-day traffic jam of 2010. On a highway in northern China, a traffic jam stretched 100 kilometers and lasted 12 days. It's considered one of the worst traffic jams in history. Before we check out number 10, if you really love your mom, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Number 10. China's internet blocking system. Since 2009, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp are blocked in China. Instead, they use their own platforms, WeChat, Weibo, and Baidu. So friends, how did you like these unbelievable facts about China? It's a country with incredible growth, controversial events, mysteries, rich culture, all scattered across every corner of the nation. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it. Share your favorite or most shocking fact in the comments. You were watching Interesting Facts Hub. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay well and stay curious. Thank you.